All right, today I'm working on a 2006 ML500. It's a common issue with door locks on these. The issue I'm having with this one is that it's actually bouncing up and down whenever you go to hit the lock and unlock. And sometimes it doesn't even work. It doesn't even lock, unlock, or it doesn't even do anything. So I'm gonna see if it does it right now. There you go. You can see the bouncing issue on that. And now you can see it's doing nothing. So I'm hitting unlock and lock. And right now it's doing nothing. I took it to the dealership and they quoted about $2,000 for the repair. And it involved replacing the door lock actuator, and that's with parts and labor. It's gonna involve taking this whole door apart. The actuator is gonna be right in here. To get it out, you gotta take the whole door apart and then remove the actuator, which involves taking a lot of pieces apart on there. And basically all it is a spring. I mean, it's about a $2 spring that you could replace. It's just kind of labor intense.